ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ತುಳು ಬುಲಿಯನೇರ್ ಇನ್ನೇನೊಂಜಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದಲ್ಲೇ. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಬಜಾರ್. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. On Thursday I ordered this one. Today I got this within on the Sunday I ordered and today I got this one. Within 3 days I got the delivery of the product. It has come with this kind of package, tamper proof package, and in the back side it's mentioned address and other details. Now I'll open the package. It's a tamper proof package. And in the inside is a box that it has come. Here in front they mentioned the address and other details. I will open the box now. We'll see inside there's a coin, there's a bar and the bill. First we will see the bill. In the bill it is mentioned the address, then the other details. Here it's mentioned Gujarat Gold Center silver bar 10 gram. In the bill it branding the name mentioned 999 24 karat purity fitness, and the cost is 1561.55 rupees including the GST, the 3% GST of 46.85 rupees. Including that it has become 1608 rupees 40 paise. Then cost ಬರ್ತದೆ 1571 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 55 ಪೈಸೆ. ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಸೇರಿತು 3% ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಆಯ್ತು 46 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 85 ಪೈಸೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅದು 1608 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 40 ಪೈಸೆ. This is the amount I paid. Now I'll see the coin. We'll open the coin now. Here in the safety card it has come. Again one more package there inside. Here it is mentioned the top Gujarat Gold Center, and here India's leading Indian gold standard refinery and hallmarking center, and the back side weight 10 grams, fitness or purity is 999.0, and here bought from Coin Bazaar. The inch certificate undo, so 10 inch front again branding mention atanda. Back side weight, fitness and Coin Bazaar purchase ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂದು. And in the coin it is mentioned here, you can see their logo here, Gujarat Gold Center India, and their logo 10 grams 999 fine silver. ಇಂಚ ಆಗಲೇ ಲೋಗೋ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಜರಾತ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದು 10 grams ದ 999 ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ದ ಫೈನ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಅಂದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ GGC they mentioned as GGC means Gujarat Gold Center. I hope you like the video. Kindly like my channel, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.